I live in the large cap world, so sort of 20 billion and up U.S. market cap. So I tried to reframe the question a bit and think about like what 100 billion-ish market cap stock could be the next trillion plus, right? So not something you can invest in today, something that's large cap and very liquid today. And so I chose Spotify, pretty popular stock, pretty popular company. I get it. But Spotify to us is now fully and completely demonstrating signals and signs of like a long-term winning aggregator in much the same way that Amazon did for us many years ago. They're taking something like 50 to 60% incremental growth share, right? So the industry is still growing. Streaming is less than half penetrated globally. In developed markets, it's about half penetrated. Some Scandinavian countries are a little bit above 50%, and many developing countries are well behind that. But you have a business here that is wildly profitable, very free cash flow profitable, is now down that backside that we talked about where they're just self-funding all kinds of growth. And music as a category is still very under-monetized. There's a chart up there that sort of speaks to that. And so we feel like there's really good value for the service. We feel like they've broken away from the pack, frankly. And anytime you have one competitor gaining 50 cents on the growth dollar, that's pretty hard to fight long term. Like that's a really nice tailwind at your back. So, and again, to maybe repeat, what my other panelists have talked about, we love founder-led businesses. Absolutely love them. And there's a risk. We lose sleep at night sometimes thinking Daniel Ek might get crazy and start spending a ton of money again. But we actually think the company's really found profitability religion, and we think it's pretty much up and to the right from here. We feel great about this business.